Hello, I'm going to be going over how our business, Chance Computers, compared to other businesses in the simulation, starting with competitors Salesforce in the top left. If you look in about the middle of the graph, you see Chance Computers, and now we have 10 total salespeople. We have 10 total currently in Traveler. Towards the end of the quarters, we actually changed our salespeople around. We have 10 in Traveler now and 10 in Innovator, totaling up to total 20 salespeople. It's much better than the original 10 we had in one segment. It brought us much more sales because there was more marketing and advertising to go along with it. So that number is 20. We have 20 total salespeople at the end of the quarter, and it could have been higher, but for the money we were working with, 20 was about the highest we could go. At the top right, you see market demand. Also in about the middle of the graph, you see Chance Computers. We have 4 market demand in Innovator and 247 in Traveler. Traveler was our second target segment, but soon became our primary target segment towards the end of the simulation, which we actually got a much higher number in compared to the Innovator segment. Still numbers that are not nearly as good as we would like to have seen, but definitely starting to come up from the previous quarters. In the bottom left, you see the Traveler segment. We are not even barely visible in that graph. That just shows that we could have much opportunity to improve, maybe have our advertisements and products more based off of the competitors that are doing well in the same target segments, and which is what we try to do, as I said, in the ending of the simulation, but I think we're getting there. If you look at the bottom right, you see market share. Also in about the middle, we have 0.03% in Innovator and 1.19% in Traveler, with a total market share of 0.29%. Not nearly the numbers we were hoping to have, but there's always room for come up, and we are definitely, if there was more time in the simulation, we would have improved it.